You want to watch this video?
Okay, fine. You got this.
And we're going to show you how to cut the perfect orange wedge. Maybe.
Well, that was the point of this video?
And we're going to make a drink with all this shit that you just see. It's going to be good. Watch it.
Or it's going to go off the rails.
Or it's on.
Again.
Or Ian's just going to walk off. What's this thing called?
Welcome to Common Cocktails. Derek, Dan, and Ian are going to show you how to make the Jeez Louise.
Jeez Louise?
That's what it's called.
Damn,
You
butter
got
and cheese.
Good questions now?
Waiting for us
You
to come.
got no fucking questions.
Damn,
Executive
that just
producer,
came with a fucking bang.
David Cattleman.
What's it?
I forgot the
standing there
executive
the whole
producer
time.
in the last episode, so we'll have to throw it in the ice
Yeah.
episode.
He's fine.
This was found on liquor.com. Here's the recipe for whatever I said, the Jeez Louise.
Manhattan's with that.
Ounce and a half of Averna amaro, half ounce of Cynar, 3/4 ounce of Cointreau, 3/4 ounce of fresh lime juice, and then you're going to top it with soda water. This is going to a Collins
What
glass. Yes? What?
Question from the gallery.
It was coming, but I forgot. Let's just keep going.
Now everybody's going to be like, oh, they're so drunk. How are they going to get home? I got to hear this shit again.
That was a gin move.
So,
If you've been watching all night, you know that's a gin move.
Yeah. I had something, I was like,
But how do you...
You know, sometimes you just have it and then you don't.
Incoming.
put all the
Yeah.
ingredients into a cocktail shaker except for your club soda, and then you're going to shake it. Then you're going to top it with club soda. You're going to put an orange wheel on top. Unfortunately, we don't have any left because Ian ate
No,
them
we have
all.
some.
Oh, no.
Why don't we want to put the
We're
club
gonna serve
soda
it
in
with a
before we
straw.
shake it, Derek?
Because club soda is carbonated, and shaking carbonation creates explosions. Or, if it doesn't explode, because there's probably not that much in here, it will just make it just water.
And that
It will
won't be
not be
good.
bubbly anymore. It'll be what they call Stillwasser, which is just regular old fucking water.
Oh, look at that.
No bubbles.
I mean,
And that
if you want bubbles,
is boring.
who doesn't want bubbles?
Awesome, huh?
Yeah. Still. Do you want it still? How did they
Still?
say bubbly? They had a word for it. Still.
like
That
the
was
singer.
asked me on the plane.
So where did this drink come from?
The internet, liquor.com.
Jeez Louise.
Jeez Louise!
Jeez Louise.
I don't know what I was looking for when I ran into
You're
this.
just like, you're like, what can I do with amaro and Cynar?
Yeah, well, no. I think I was looking for fall cocktails. I was doing some
Well,
searching.
this would be a good, like, after dinner drink, too.
Yeah.
Amaro's always a good...
Well, so I was looking for fall cocktails, and then I was like,
Listen to
oh,
that.
amaro. Wasn't Dan looking for drinks that had amaro in it?
I was.
So I'm like, I need to stop
Especially
here
Averna.
and
You
fucking
hear it?
put it in because you
What?
wanted Averna. So I was like,
Oh, I
this is
do.
the perfect shit.
Alright,
Oh.
Averna and Cynar.
Yes, Averna's the bitter,
goes good.
Cynar's the sweet.
Yeah,
Cynar.
I can hear it.
You
It's
can just
tight.
hold it up to the fucking mic. It's right there.
Yeah. You hear it? It's tight.
That's
That's what happens
That is what happens
when you shake it.
when cold causes a vacuum effect because it's like sciences the air around it and makes it condensed or something. The electrons slow down.
Okay, now you're just out of your depth.
No, I think I'm right here.
The electrons slow
The
down.
In
electrons
cold.
slow down
Yes,
and
the
make
electrons slow
Okay,
down, and then
and they
it
do the
Yeah,
hokey
the atomic
pokey.
activity slows down in the cold.
right. So and it causes it to expand. But I'm trying to figure out why that would cause the vacuum effect though.
Because the vacuum's releasing via improper seal, so we're getting a bubbling effect.
So you're saying that's an improper seal?
But you can only properly seal like
Now we need a
shaker so
straw.
much.
Yeah,
Supposed
you
to
need.
stir it.
Yeah, but you need a straw.
Here, have a Dan orange.
No, that I left off. I knew it was going to be big.
That's
Because
perfect.
he's good at garnishes, too.
So do I have a straw?
Whatever. That looks awesome.
I don't know. That looks pretty fucking
You know what?
Yeah.
Sometimes you get that frou-frou fucking garnish. You know what I say? Like that. I want half the orange in my
I want you
drink.
to make me a lemon forward drink with a big ass lemon garnish, but you gotta stir it. That's what I want to see. It's because you with him.
Whatever.
It looks like a long
Look how classy that looks. Like,
Looks
you're
pretty
rolling
good.
up and you're like, hey.
It looks like a tiki almost.
What are you rolling up in while you have that in your hand?
Yeah. And where are you when you're doing
A fucking
this?
tricycle? You know.
Holy shit.
Is this like a big wheel? Too much lemon for you?
You could roll up something.
It's
in
got
that.
lime juice in it.
Oh, God.
That's what
Any
makes it funny.
citrus is bad now? Is that what's going on?
No, taste it.
You think that's bad?
Coffee and citrus go well together.
Hold on, I'm gonna taste it in a second.
I don't like coffee and citrus.
Oh, that's not coffee though.
No.
That's amaro.
Yeah.
That's right. But it's good. I like it.
Welcome to the show, Ian!
Didn't I make that?
Wow!
Yeah. Laugh at my orange now.
Welcome back! I love how the
no-
orange actually has less
It's like-
orange in it. It's mostly
It's like
rind.
the sun.
You get all pith in
Look,
there.
you can hide behind it.
But it makes sense,
You know,
though.
you're at the bar, you know, and you see someone down the end. And
Just in case you want.
yeah, look at that. Oh, look at Ian's garnish. It's a
I didn't
little,
have anything left to work with.
Ian's
after you were done
garnish
with
is a
that
little
orange.
limp. At least mine stands up.
But yours has a lot of
He's
pith,
got a point.
right? But your pith is bitter, which works with this drink. It's a bitter amaro drink, so it's gonna have.
Oh no, it's good now.
See, it's an extra orange.
Oh no, it's good now.
I need the
What
extra
was it
orange.
like 5 minutes ago when you're because you
a
had
big-
to
Because
you
it
had to
wasn't
shift
like
gears?
mixed up. Yeah, it wasn't like
You know what?
mixed up.
We probably could have put a little salt in there to cut some of the bitterness.
Yeah, try it.
Salt cuts bitter.
It does.
I know, but the fact that you
Yeah,
were talking
put it
about
in-
salt at the top of the show with
Put it
the
in
with
put it
the
in the middle.
with the review of tequila.
It's called a callback.
Yeah.
What is that?
Well, just so you guys know, somebody's watching you in the bathtub.
Oh shit.
That's awesome.
That's not my problem. That's theirs.
See, that's what the big orange is for.
For the bathtub.
No.
Oh,
So
they're,
you're like, you peek
they're watching
over it.
us
You're
from the
like- you're like-
bathtub.
Yes.
I'm like, I don't take a bath. I take a shower. So, and if they want to watch that, then fine. I really don't care.
Hey.
Not while you're in the bathtub. They're in the bathtub.
We're not in the bathtub.
I got it now.
We're not in the
I'm
bathtub.
catching up.
What if we turn this
Look
into
at
a
you
big
can't hide
bathtub?
behind this thing.
It's already breaking. It's fucking.
Watch stuff, Derek. I'm gonna say.
Well, yeah,
Let's
this
savor
is
this.
not gonna work right.
What's going on?
Savor it.
He's gonna do something. He's gonna cut it. Yeah.
That was anticlimactic.
Yeah, I was waiting
Yeah,
for it
but
to shoot in my face.
But Dan was closing his eyes and covering it in case he got cut by blades and some shit.
But you never know where that thing's gonna fling off to.
No, but
You have
Okay.
glasses on. You got protection.
no, that's actually worse because then it gets on my glass and I get all angry.
Yeah, but
Well,
not
you
in
get
your
to keep your
eye.
eye.
Yeah, exactly.
From the orange?
Yeah.
Or the knife.
What the fuck do you think an orange is gonna do if it slaps you in the
I
eye?
don't know. Take your glasses
gonna
off.
look
Let's
like
figure
an
this shit
idiot.
out.
Okay,
Well,
Anyway, what does that drink taste
I'm
like?
Oh
fine.
my god. Yeah, because you closed. I mean, I can
they're
close
fine
my
now.
eyes.
Just wait till the camera stops rolling. We're gonna get Jenna grapefruit.
Actually, I got some on my glasses.
You're gonna get grapefruit.
Yeah, see?
I still managed, even though I checked my
Oh
glasses.
my god. So now, wait a minute.
Wait, what does a drink
What's-
taste like
what's
compared to
the-
the fucking orange?
Hey, drink's good.
Oh, wow. What's touched your face? We just got yelled at by the producer.
It tastes like.
Get out of here.
It tastes like Amaro and orange.
Sit on that ice, Jen.
It tastes like. Whoa! That hit me right on the top of the wrist.
That's my belly.
Why do I keep getting hit? With ice, I've done nothing wrong.
Because Jen can't throw.
You're right, I can't. I throw it like a girl.
It's slightly bitter.
It's not that. It's bitter. It's got a orange aftertaste.
It's dry finish.
Give her the equipment, Jen.
The
It's her equipment, but careful.
a little bitterness from the Amaro.
I don't know what
It's
that's
like.
really
Why
is.
does it have a citrus flavor?
It
to
bounced
it?
up
Oh,
on
is
the-
it the lime?
It's a lime. But then the Cointreau turns it into like more of an orangey.
It's like a sour orange with a bitter bite.
Ian just quit.
This is by far the first time I've ever seen Ian just literally walk off the set in the middle.
He quit.
That's the first time you've seen me do that?
Like, yes. I feel like it is.
It sucked.
Yeah. What are you throwing
They're
at?
like, where the fuck did Will Sasser just go? Bring him back out.
Oh, that guy's better anyway.
It's bitter on my tongue, but I still want to keep drinking it.
It's bitter because it's sparkly.
Maybe doesn't have any sweet to it. It's not as bitter as I expect. I'm not a bitter drinking
No, it has
dude.
some sweet. I mean, it's actually a little refreshing.
Yeah, which is weird. You like this drink?
It's an interesting drink.
Yeah, dude, I think it's good.
I don't know why it's good, but it is.
It's not. It's definitely not sweet.
No. That reminds me, sweet.
It's not well balanced.
It's bitter.
No, but it's not bad.
It's bitter and sour, but not super sour.
But it's probably meant to be better.
Yeah.
It
But it's not
reminds
too
me of
bitter.
something. I don't know what.
A bitter cocktail?
Something specific.
Oh yeah, I couldn't figure it out either, but it does have that like a flavor to it, that
Yeah.
coffee-ish. I don't know. Like it's got like the bitterness of a coffee, but the sourness of a whiskey sour, but the flavors of a bitterness.
But it's not even like bitter.
No.
Like a bitter, like a Negroni or something.
No,
Like that
no, it's
at
not
all.
like no. That's like oh, you like it get all.
Like Jen, you'll drink. It's not even bitter at all.
Also, if you guys want like to be like David, you can go to patreon.com/CMC and help donate to the show, or you can join. If you join, you can also buy stuff on AwesomeDrinks.com if you want to. But if you join, I'll get like $5 a month, and I'm putting that right now towards a camera I want to get. That's a 4K camera that gets rid of this shit over here with the blurriness and craziness.
Oh, look at that.
And he'll show you how to cut sweet
Yeah,
orange.
See, now
peels.
slow-mo.
with the camera right now, you
Yeah.
probably think that's a really well cut orange.
I mean, look at that's like a super thin orange.
You get that in high def, 4K.
Yeah, you want it in 4K.
You'll know what's
See?
going on there.
It's an optical illusion when
It's
it
like
gets
a-
fatter in the back.
It's like an orange with a snaggletooth.
Yeah.
Snaggletooth orange.
Well, you did that to it.
Oh, yeah, probably.
Like you think it's a wedge,
Well,
but in
I'm
4K it
I'm
would really
forbidden.
just be flat.
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah.
And we would look better on a
Can you
4K.
get a 2D camera so that looks really thin?
I don't know how
flat
to
world.
respond to that.
Hey, flat world.
They're hysterical when lit. You or us, because we're not lit yet. He just gets weird.
I'm always lit.
Oh,
No.
he's lighting us on fire. So
Is that
that's
not what you meant?
that's a good ring for the endorsement to get out of here. So sidebar,
right.
more videos over there. We'll throw some bitter stuff
I
in there.
finally found how to speed this up.
Cocktails and
Just
bitters.
light people on fire.
Down below, bartender starter kit. Use October 19th. Save 15% off until November 16th at awesomedrinks.com. Do it now. We're teaching you how to drink.